Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an attendance sheet on Google Sheets. So if you don't have this thing, just drag it from the line above, like here, and drag it down here so that this stays on the very top. You can also add a list of student names. I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm like thinking of Valorant names. That's why normal names aren't clicking right now. Zoe, whatever. Jake, Phil. Oh, I'm just going to write names from Modern Family because I've been watching it, so those are the thing that comes up. No, that's not even her name in the, what is her name in the, oh, Gloria, Manny, Jay. Okay, I'm just going to stop right there. Anyways, I think you can also drag this to the right so that this doesn't move around too if we go this way, but it's not really necessary. Then we're going to select all of the checkboxes here. We're going to then just go to insert and select checkbox, and then you have this attendance sheet. Whether or not they go to school on the days, maybe Taylor goes to school Monday to Friday without any absences. Maybe James doesn't go to school on Wednesday and whatnot. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.